Meet the egret, a symbol of purity and elegance. These stunning white birds are a sight to behold against a clear blue sky. Watch them in action, their graceful flight is poetry in motion. Marvel at their long, slender necks and sharp, pointed beaks. Did you know? Egrets are not just beautiful, they're sharp hunters too. With lightning-fast reflexes, they catch fish with incredible precision. Egrets are also wonderful parents, building nests high in the trees to keep their young safe. So, next time you spot an egret, take a moment to admire these magnificent creatures. Like and subscribe for more amazing fast facts.